guys, so for this tutorial I'm going to be using my size 3mm hook and my yarn. So you can use any lightweight yarn of your choice, either finger weight yarn or spot weight yarn. It depends on how light or how thick you want your top to be. So to get started, I'm going to start by working on the lower part of the top and work upward. So start by making a chain of 5. Chain 1. In the first stitch, go in with 1 double crochet. Go into the next stitch with a single crochet. Go into the third stitch with a double crochet and over and put through. I have 3 loops, put through 2, put through 2. Go into the fourth stitch with a single crochet and the last stitch with 1 double crochet. Chain 1 and turn over. For the second row, go into the first stitch with 2 double crochets. So go into the stitch and put through. I have 3 loops, put through 2. I have 2 loops, put through 2. Go back into the same stitch with 1 double crochet, making it 2 double crochets. So you have your first row of increase. In the next stitch, go in with a single crochet. Go into the next stitch with 1 double crochet, then a single crochet, a double crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1. For the third row, go into the first stitch with 1 double crochet, work in 1 single crochet into the next stitch, then a double crochet, a single crochet into the next stitch, a double crochet. In the last stitch, go in with 2 single crochets, 1, 2, chain 1, turn over. So you're going to be increasing on the side. You're not doing any increase on this part of the panel, you're just increasing on one side. In the first stitch, go in with 2 double crochets, now go into the next stitch with 1 single crochet, go into the third stitch with 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, chain 1, turn over. Go into the first stitch with 1 double crochet, one single crochet into the next stitch, and 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet. In the last stitch, go in with 2 single crochets, chain 1, turn over. Go into the first stitch with 2 double crochets, put 1 single crochet into the next stitch, and then 1 double crochet in the next. So you're just going to keep on repeating this till you get to underneath your bust. I'll let you know how many rows of increase I end up doing, but like I said, you're just going to keep on increasing on this end. So each time you end with a single crochet, go in with 2 single crochets, and each time you end with a double crochet on this end, go in with 2 double crochets. You're not doing any increase on the side, you're only increasing on one part of the panel. So I'll let you know how many rows of increase I end up doing when I get the length I want. So I did a total of 34 rows of increase, alternating between the double crochet stitch and the single crochet stitch. Now what you're going to do is you're going to make a long chain that is wide enough to cover your bust. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, chain. So I have a total of 50 chains, and this is wide enough to cover my bust. Now you're going to start by chaining one. In the first stitch, go in with 1 double crochet, put in 1 single crochet into the next stitch, go into the next stitch with 1 double crochet, put in 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet, and then 1 single crochet. One double crochet, 1 single crochet into the next stitch. So you just want to keep on alternating between 1 double crochet and 1 single crochet till you get to the end of the chain stitch. So now I've come to the end of the chain stitch and I ended with a single crochet. You're going to continue along the body of the top that you've been working on. So in this first stitch, go in with 1 double crochet, go into the next stitch with 1 single crochet, and then 1 double crochet. So you're just going to keep on alternating between the double crochet stitch and the single crochet stitch till you get to the end of the row. Come to the end of the 35th row. For the 36th row, chain 1, turn over. In the first stitch, go in with 1 double crochet, go into the next stitch with 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and then 1 single crochet. So from this point, you're just alternating between 1 double crochet and 1 single crochet in each stitch, and you're not going to be doing any increase or decrease from this point. So what you want to do is you just want to keep on working back and forth till you have the length you want for your top, which I'll let you know how many rows I end up doing. But for now, just keep on working back and forth with 1 double crochet and 1 single crochet. So now I've gotten the length I want for my top, and I did a total of 30 rows of no increase. So if you remember, I did 34 rows of increase plus 30 rows of no increase, making it 64 rows. And then I just made a long strap on both sides for the neck and the back. So this is what the top looks like. It's a simple tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe.